increase. In fact, his anticipation power decreases after occurrence of fatigue, and as a result of that, she may get injured. Pressure of competition. Most of the players fell to injuries during due to excessive pressure of stress or of competition. This stress increases extraordinarily in international sports competition. At that time, the dignity is attached to his or country. She exerts maximum force, usually beyond his or capacity. In such a condition, injury may occur to the player. Carelessness during the games. During training or competition, there may be some movement when players do not remain aware about and conscious about the game. In fact, they become careless about game. At such moment, they may get injured spontaneously. Recurrency of injury. When a player gets injured once, twice or thrice, it has been seen that recurrence of that injury becomes usual phenomena. It usually happens to such players who start playing before complete healing. Improper sports equipment. Improper sports equipment may also cause the injury to the player. Those equipments must be of international standards. Overuse of muscles. Excessive repetition of movements is also main cause of injury. Generally, racers, swimmer, tennis player may fall prey to injuries who do excessive repetition. They may get various injuries such as tennis elbow, tendinitis, shoulder impingement, etc. Prevention of sports injuries. The life of a sports person is valuable. Sometimes a sports person gets such an injury that he cannot take part in the sports again. In this way, the sports career may come to end. However, many types of sport injuries may be treated, but even that is that is a fact that prevention is better than cure. That is why most of the athlete or sport person want to reduce and eliminate the chance of injury while performing training or participating in the sports competition. A sports injury is decreased amount of time when the sports person may spend on sports training. Even sometimes, due to injury, a sport person cannot take part in the sports competition. It may have a negative impact on sports performance. The famous sports scientists suggest that injury rate can be reduced by 25% if sports person take appropriate steps for prevention of sport injuries, which I mentioned below. Now we are going to discuss the 11 proper tips for prevention of sports injury. The very first one will be proper warming up. Second is proper conditioning. Third is balanced diet. Fourth is proper knowledge of sports skill. Fifth is use of protective equipment. Sixth is proper sport facilities. Seventh is unbiased officiating. Eighth is don't do over the training. Ninth is use of proper technique. 10th is obeying the rules. 11th is proper cooling down. Now we'll discuss proper warming. Before sports training or participation in sport competition, proper warm up is essential. It definitely reduces the chance of getting injury because muscles remain in tone-up position after getting a proper warm-up. A proper warm-up routine should be of minimum 10 minutes. Start warm-up with a few minutes of gentle exercise, such as jogging or slow running. Gradually increase the pace until you run briskly. After 2 or 3 rounds of tracks, do something stretching exercise, especially of those body parts that you will be using in the practice of your sports. However, does not mean that you should do the exercise of all part of body. Such type of warm up is always helpful in reducing the chance of sports injury. Proper conditioning. It is well known fact that many injuries are caused by weak muscles which are not ready to meet the demand of a sports or games. So for getting proper muscular strength, proper conditioning of body is essential. Weight training, circuit training are a significant method for proper conditioning.